Hello guys, so as you can see, this is my setup for 2018. I hope you like it because I've taken 5 months to complete this project. As you've seen already in my video, in my channel, I already made a video about this desk where you can check it out in a card here or here, I don't know. But just to let you know, all this gear and all these specs are in the description of the video. You can see all the specs. My monitors, my TV, my speakers, everything, please just read the description, it's all there. So guys, in this video what I'm gonna show is playing 3 games, which is Battlefield, CSGO and GTA 5, and you're gonna watch it and how it runs in this PC. This is a monster PC, and I'm gonna activate the NVIDIA Surround for the 3 ultra-wide curved monitors that I have on my back. And then you must be asking, what is this wallpaper that I'm using? Okay, so it's not this, you can change it. You can change this wallpaper in many types. Do you want to see? Let's check it out. Well, that's a good image, but let's change it again. Well, nice, and again. Okay, so as you can see, this wallpaper is fantastic. You can download it on Steam. If I'm not mistaken, it costs it has a price of $3, which is really cheap, and you can have all these papers for free. It's really soft for the PC. If you have a bad PC or with low specs, you will not have problem running these animated backgrounds in your Windows. So guys, now that we have talked about, let's check it out and try the games. Let's go! Okay guys, just to let you know, I'm using sound from the speakers, okay? As you can see, I have here, let me show you, I have here my central speaker, my amp, which is a Pioneer amp, and you've got the subwoofer, bass traps, and the KEF speakers there. So I'm gonna play all these games with my speakers active, not my headphones, and enjoy all the games. Let's go! Before I start playing GTA 5, I want to tell you something. I have two 1080 GTI overclocked in SLI, and it gives me 22 gigabytes dedicated to play. And in GTA 5, if you put all in max level, everything, I will play this game in 14 frames per second. So GTA 5 is totally crazy. It absorbs the 2 GTAs if I try to increase everything to the max. But we can't forget that we are playing almost 3 ultra-wide monitors that are 4K, so the PC has to render all these pixels at 75 Hz, which is not easy. But let's check the game. subscribe the channel because I'm gonna put more videos about the setup and how it was built. There's a lot of things that I still didn't show you about this setup, and I promise that you will gonna be surprised. So thumbs up this video, subscribe the channel, follow my Instagram, and as always, bye bye and see you soon!